Hello everyone, and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, where I show you guys some healthy recipes and meal inspirations so you can eat yummy food that's also good for you. We've got lots of yummy recipes. These are some of my favorites right now that I've been making, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So let's go ahead and jump into breakfast, because I have a new fluffy pancake recipe that is so simple and yummy. I added blueberries, but you can add chocolate chips if you wanted, banana, raspberry, keep it plain, whatever you kind of feel, but they're fluffy, they're good. I'm about to get prepped for lunch, but beforehand I need to hydrate. It is very hot where I live today, like very humid, you know, that humid heat, which brings me to our sponsor, which is LMNT. You guys know, LMNT is a ride or die in my life. I have at least one of these packets every single day, if not two, for like the past year. LMNT is clean, it is keto friendly, it is paleo, there is no added sugar, no BS, no gluten, no fillers. You know that I'm very strict when it comes to kind of my criteria for the products that I buy and the products that I use, which is why I love LMNT, and I've been using them for like a year. And the great thing is that it really helps to replenish your electrolytes, which honestly, so many of us need, even when we're living like a healthy lifestyle, we're working out, we're active, we're eating clean. We need to support electrolyte balance, because if you don't have a proper electrolyte balance, it can cause so many different kind of symptoms. So LMNT can really help to like prevent and eliminate headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue. All of these things can be signs that your electrolytes are off. Plus, it tastes amazing, and this new grapefruit flavor, I think we have a new favorite. I mean, I love the raspberry and the citrus, but grapefruit now has a special place in my heart, and I'm so excited for this new flavor. You guys can try your own sample pack. You get 8 for free, and then you order by clicking the link below, which is just drinklmnt.com/keepupwithliv. You need to use the one below with the Keep Up With Liv in order to get this, and you can also use this if you've gotten a sample pack before. So this is both for if you've never tried LMNT, if you are a ride or die fan and you just want 8 free more, go ahead, click the link. They were so generous with that, so I'm so excited. I love LMNT. Can I also say that I love that it comes in single packets, so I just toss these in my purse and they're so easy. I like to put mine in about like 16 ounces of water, anywhere between 16 and 32, and they have all the information on the top, no sugar. Just add it in. Yummy. All right, so I'm gonna get going on marinating some salmon for lunch. Take the time to marinate for at least 30 minutes. This is gonna make this salmon bowl so delicious. This salmon bowl, I'm obsessed. It is so yummy, and you'll see the way I'm cooking the salmon. It's easy, but it has so much flavor. We're gonna add like some spicy mayo, some cucumber, a little cauliflower rice, kind of like a deconstructed sushi bowl, but full of protein, healthy fats. It's satisfying, nourishing, keeps you full for hours. So yummy. So let's go ahead. So I cut the salmon into little chunks from just like a piece you buy at the grocery store. And then I'm gonna add in some garlic powder for flavor. And you can use whatever size salmon piece. This one is about 280 grams. So if you wanna do the math, but generally they're all similar sizes at the grocery store. I feel like you'll be fine. And then you can add in some tamari or some coconut aminos. And then a little bit of rice vinegar. And all the measurements will be down below. And then we're just going to put some saran on this, pop it into the fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. And I'll see you then. So once the oven's preheated, we're gonna take our fish that's been marinating, just spread that out a little bit, and we're gonna bake it for 6 to 7 minutes and then broil for 1 minute. And then I'm just gonna cut up a couple cucumbers. Cucumbers are so yummy and hydrating, and they really go well in like sushi style bowls. And then I'm also taking some avocado while the cauliflower rice is cooking and our salmon is cooking. And then I like to make some spicy mayo with just some chili sauce and some clean mayo. I like the one from Chosen Foods. It's getting a bit cloudy. We got like a 50-50 ratio, and it's easy to stir it together. So I have my cauliflower rice. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cucumbers on the sides. Normally I would do more cauliflower rice and like less cucumber, but I'm out of cauliflower rice. I only have a little bit left. So we're gonna load up on the cucumber. Once the salmon is out of the oven, so I cooked it for 6 minutes and then I broiled it for 1 more minute. So a total of 7. And then we're gonna scoop on our avocado. And drizzle on our spicy mayo. And then I just finish off with a few sesame seeds. Guys, it's so yum, so loaded with protein, healthy fats, fiber. Cannot wait to dig in. It is time for dinner. We're gonna make little chicken nuggets with Caesar salad, which is like the ultimate kids type meal, but it's so hot outside that the idea of having something super hot is just not. We're gonna make our own homemade Caesar dressing. It's gonna be yummy, but first we're gonna make these little healthy chicken nuggets. So I have some ground chicken here. We're gonna add in some garlic powder for some flavor. We're also going to add in some salt and then also some pepper. You can also add in your favorite seasonings into this. I find like garlic, salt, and pepper works really, really well. I like to take about a tablespoon at a time. You can make a little nugget shape. If you really wanted, you could go outside of the box and make like dinosaurs or hearts, whatever it is. And then I dredge it in a little bit of egg and then some almond flour with tapioca flour mixed together. So it's about a 50-50 mixture. And then you put it on the sheet. So to make the dressing, we're gonna add in some water, some hemp hearts. I've been making this vegan Caesar dressing for years and it's so yummy and so easy. Plus the hemp hearts have tons of omega-3s. We're gonna add in some garlic and some lemon. And lastly, we're gonna add in just a little bit of salt. And then we're gonna blend it up. Finished dinner, Caesar salad, some crispy chicken nuggets, so yummy, and we're gonna dig in. So we just got back from mini golfing. It was honestly so fun, but it's super hot outside, as you can tell by the glow and the hair being up. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will leave all the recipes down below, and do not forget to get your 8 sample pack of LMNT. Try the new grapefruit as well. It's so good. I definitely need some because I'm a bit headachy from being in the heat. Didn't drink water. Hydrate more with LMNT, and yeah, I will leave my last what I ate in a day here on the screen, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.